मोकू कहाँ ढूंढ रे बंदे, मैं तो तेरे पास में, मोकू कहाँ ढूंढ रे.
By souls, the preaching that God Kabir Dev Ji had given about the universe created by him contains a very detailed explanation. Now, Brahma Ji, Vishnu Ji, Shiv Ji are sitting on the aircraft, while Durga Ji makes it fly into the sky. The place where they arrived was the seat of Brahma Ji, and there was one Brahma Ji in the aircraft and another one in the Brahmalok. When they saw that, Vishnu Ji and Shiv Ji asked Brahma Ji, "Who is that other Brahma?" Brahma Ji, the one from the aircraft, says, "I do not know who he is or who we are or how we were born or what our purpose is." Then who was that? It was Kal, as I have told you in the beginning of the creation of nature, while at the time of the creation, at the topmost point of the universe, right at the summit, he had created 3 places. Let me show you a picture of the universe. This will help in easy understanding. Take a look. A small illustration of the universe. Look at this. It is shaped like an egg. This type shape, that is, it is called elliptical, right? Now keep looking. We will start from the bottom. Right at the bottom is Patal Lok, hell, Talatal, Rasatal, Sutal, Atal, Mahatal, Talatal and Vital. This is earth. This is the region of Shiv, also known as Shivpuri, region of Brahma Ji, Brahmapuri, region of Vishnu Ji, Vishnupuri. Now common region between the heaven and hell, and this is the region of Dharmrai, who is the judiciary appointed by the Kal, and here the accounts are maintained for everyone. And then this place, it is Brahmalok. All of this is called Brahmalok. This is one heaven, one Indra resides here too. This is Indra is different and thus is known as Maha Indra. And then what is done here? This is Mahaswarg. This is the place where the duplicates have been created by him. Here there is a false Satlok, fake Alaklok, fake Agamlok and fake Anamilok have been created here. Here there are 88,000 settlements. Here is the Saptpuri, and above all this Brahmalok, this is Brahmalok. Above this Brahmalok, he has made 3 secret places. As I have told you, this is a Rajogun dominant region where the Kal Ksharpurush resides in the form of Brahma, and with him lives his wife Durga in the form of Savitri. He disappeared from here and reached here before their aircraft. This is Tamogun dominant region. Here he himself resides in the form of Mahavishnu, Mahashiv, and his wife Durga in the form of Uma. And this is the Satogun dominant area further. Again he appears in the form of Vishnu and Durga stays in the form of Mahalakshmi. When their aircraft reached via this way, they first saw the region of Indra. First there were huge trees and then they saw other regions and then entered from here to there. They could not go any further. They saw Maha Indra and they turned. Then they went up this way. As they went further, first they saw devil or the Ksharpurush who sat in the guise of Brahma, and then the aircraft made its way to here. Then they saw a Shankarji and saw that it was devil, the Ksharpurush himself, who was disguised in the 3 different faces. And then they came to the area of Vishnu. Here was another Vishnu, and Lakshmi ji sat there with him. His Durga was whisking a flabellum on the devil, the Ksharpurush, who was in the form of Vishnu. Then the craft came here to here, right here to the water, sweet water ocean, where there is a separate region for Durga. Let's read further. We have read the Srimad Devi Puran up till here. Now we come here. We have reached the ocean of sweet water. Now let's come here, pious souls. All that our holy books are trying to prove today, all this knowledge was already written in the words of God Kabir ji 600 years ago in his Sachidanand Ghan Brahm speech. Kabir Vani written in words 600 years ago from today, and today we are realizing it in all these holy books. So this proves that God Kabir ji is the complete God who shared this knowledge with us before, which is now present in our holy books. So we have read up till here that these three are sitting on the aircraft, Brahma, Vishnu, Shiv ji, and Durga ji made the aircraft fly with her own power. First they reached the area of Brahma ji, which is the place of Kal, that is Rajogun dominant. The Ksharpurush, meaning Kal Brahma, was himself residing, disguised as Brahma. As they moved further, he was there again as Shankar, and then further he appeared as Vishnu. Then where did the craft go from there? This is all just to clarify any doubts from their mind, just so that they do not think themselves to be gods, to rule out any misconception.